Well, hello guys, what's up? Welcome back again to Xfinity. I'm Junaid, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the AdSense update warning. Let me show you what is the warning. So the warning is in the Google AdSense account is we encourage you to publish your seller information in Google sellers.json file. Visit the account settings page to review your current visibility status. Why the warning is appearing here, and what is its purpose? The purpose of this warning is to clear the confusion between the publishers and the sellers. We are the sellers and the publishers are the advertisers. They want to know what is your website, what is your YouTube channel, or what is your blog in which publishers or advertisers are going to advertise their products or any service. So this is very important. If you ignore this warning, it will have an impact on your earnings as well as on your AdSense account. So let us click on learn more on how to add a proper information on Google AdSense to fix this issue. So first of all, you need to make sure that the domain of your website, of your blog, or your YouTube channel must be like this: google.com or google.com.uk. You do not need to include https or http or www. All right, and also do not include subdomain in your in this information. You need to exclude slashes and other domain suffix. All right, so make sure you follow this pattern to input your information. Alright, so let us as you can see, the warning is here, and let us fix this issue. How you can fix this? You simply need to click on action. It will transfer it to the seller's account information page, and here you will have the option right here is seller information visibility selected to confidential. You need to make it transparent. Alright, as you can see, your changes are saved, and whether you have a YouTube channel or a blog or any website, let us suppose you have a YouTube channel. You need to go to your YouTube channel, and you need to copy this the link of your YouTube channel, and paste it here. Alright, and make sure HTTP and www are excluded. Alright, and click anywhere on this screen, it will be saved automatically, and after this this warning will be removed. But suppose if you have a blog just like this, for example, you have a blog and you want to paste your blog there, what you need to do is you need to remove this www and https, and remove any subdomain. You just need to include your main website. I hope you got my point, what I'm trying to say. Alright fellas, so that's it, and let us refresh. Yes, after some time it will be updated once they verify your information. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day, and if you face any problem, please let me know. Thank you so much.